Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a measurable baseline. Run a full crawl now and export the CSVs so you have URL, status, and meta details. Connect Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster, then submit your XML sitemap to force initial coverage reporting. Capture 30 days of server access logs and enable render tracing for JavaScript pages. This reveals how search engines fetch and render your content. Once done, prioritize critical indexability and 5xx errors so you can focus on fixes that immediately affect organic visibility. Next, you tackle the complex middle work. Fix canonical conflicts and remove duplicate content so crawl budget isn't wasted. Verify hreflang tags if you serve multiple regions. Small mismatches break indexing. Audit render blocking JavaScript and CSS. Implement server-side rendering or pre-render key pages to ensure search bots see the same content users do. Normalize redirects with 300 ones only, eliminate chains, and set proper cache and status headers. Make sure robots, TXT and meta robots align with indexing goals as you progress. Finally, you re-index and observe. Request reindexing for repaired pages and submit an updated sitemap to speed recrawl. Implement automated audits and uptime alerts, and monitor core web vitals alongside CTR and rankings so you spot regressions fast. If something breaks, immediately roll back the recent deploy or config change, check server logs for traffic spikes or error patterns, and reproduce the issue in staging. That troubleshooting step, rollback plus log analysis, will stop damage while you iterate toward a stable, fully indexed site.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.